What's going on, traders? It's Julian here from J. Lewis Trading. Just doing a Wednesday market recap. Got to talk about the S&P 500 today. It's off 214 basis points. Nice move to the downside. It is now finding some interesting support over here at the 50-day simple moving average, a prior level of resistance. You can see right through here, pardon me, that we have found some support right down through this level, and it should be interesting to see what happens over the next couple days. Now, we are about 5%, I want to say, off of this high from 42.29, roughly 5%, I want to say. Okay, 4%. And what we've been doing a lot lately in our community, anyways, is we're always talking about our hedging and how to hedge when the market comes off. The stock market is the only place that I know of where if the markets and all asset classes are dumping, you can hedge with exposure to the short side. And so our personal hedge that we have on, the hedging tool that we use the most when markets pull back, is currently up 36% over the last 3 days. If you're interested about what that hedging tool is, by all means, feel free to reach out, comment below, ask what it is. I'll hit you, let you know what our hedging tool is when the S&P 500 is selling off. Now remember, again, S&P 500, it's down about I think it was 4.25% off of all-time highs. So this is a healthy pullback. It's nothing to be too concerned about. We have found some support at the 50-day simple moving average, and while all of that's been going on and people have been, freaking out about the market selling off, we've been hedging the whole way through. Community has been looking at our hedging tool that is up 36% over the last 3 days. Now, on the flip side, decent stocks to talk about. REAL. This has been a multi-day short. Gonna go over what I was doing yesterday and today. And you could see yesterday that this thing actually sold off quite a bit, rallied into an interesting little intraday level right through here, and then sold off. That was short number one. Short number two, actually, it bounced, failed to break down. This was a key level that I wanted to see it break down. Failed to break down that day and rallied against me. I did take this into yesterday's close, and today you can see actually that we stepped down right into that level, found some resistance at a prior intraday support level today, and then it commenced on selling off. Again, a little bit of a step down. Yesterday, I think it was about a 30% return on that intraday play over a 2-day period. Taking this yesterday, selling it today, there was just a 15% return on this one. I lost some time value because these are weeklies. And again, nice return yesterday, nice multi-day return today. So that was good. And then also simultaneously shorting LITE. And this thing had some interesting levels from the daily that I was looking at. What I'll focus on right here in this video is this level right through here. You can see that price action comes down. We get a little bit of a descending triangle with VWAP and 9-day exponential moving average resistance. Pushed price action down to a lower level. Again, took that one off. And my higher time frames were indicating that price action was going to reverse slash get flat. And that's what it did. It reversed and then got flat on the day. Flat meaning that it just sort of consolidated and did nothing. Again, this trade has been taken off. Both trades that I put on yesterday with REAL, yesterday the swing trade overnight into today, and LITE, which is intraday play today, all using puts, all using weeklies. And that's essentially what we got on the go. Markets are looking a little bit weak in the knees. I think it's a healthy pullback. Again, I can't stress that enough. If you are a long-term investor and you've got a lot of long swings on and you're looking for a way to hedge, I did host a webinar on how to hedge markets when they come off. If you have any questions, reach out. And again, today, this is just a recap on LITE, a short trade, and REAL, which was a short trade yesterday, and then another short trade carried in today. Hope some of this has helped. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to reach out.